Today I'll show you how to check if your website SEO is adequate for Performance Max. Why is this important? Some of the search ads Performance Max campaign will run will have dynamically created headlines. They'll be created based on the URL you enter in the asset group. The better SEO your website has, the more relevant those headlines will be to your campaign. With the Google Keyword Planner, you can get an idea at the campaign planning stage how those headlines might look like. Let's check SEO of the website glassesusa.com. They sell eyeglasses and sunglasses, and this is their brands. In Google Ads, click on Tools and Settings, Keyword Planner, discover new keywords, start with a website. Type in glassesusa.com, click on Get Results, and sort by monthly searches. So the top keywords that Google recovered are glasses, eyeglasses, Glass USA, Glass Online, prescription glasses, prescription sunglasses, all the keywords that actually highly relevant to the website. So this site has a good SEO and it will be successful in Performance Max. As we can see, SEO directly impacts Google Ads performance now. This is another sign of Google Ads shifting away from keywords. Another example of this, structured markup is increasingly important in e-commerce for both SEO and PPC, as Google grabs dynamic product data and shows it in multiple ways in both paid and organic listings. All of this means that in order to be successful, PPC practitioners need to pay more attention to the website SEO and user experience. For more Performance Max tips, check the link below or in description. Also, if you have any questions or want to share another PMax tip, leave a comment. Thanks and have a great day.